So what are the updates? I mean, how you keep updating on Power BI, right? Because every month the Microsoft they release few updates on Power BI. So how do you keep yourself updated? Any recent updates you have worked on?
Uh, so I usually, yeah, every month they keep updating, but I always go through the documentation. We have Microsoft documentation, the official website, where they release all the summary of all the features. I always keep track of it, but again, as I said, like every month it's very difficult to implement it, and your client may not accept that. So I always do a lot of POCs. Like I try to any new update is coming, I'll try to implement and check it, and later on if it is required in the project, I'll try to replicate it. The recent one which I found is you can have something called small multiples. Like instead of going with the entire visual, you have a small multiples. Like based on every category, there will be small chunks of the graphs that can be done. So that's something which appears on the front screen of your Power BI. So that is one thing which I've recently used my real time applications as well.
Okay, fine. So I am done with my questions. Do you have any question for me?
Yes, yeah, thanks for this. Actually, it was a very good interaction. Look, what type of role I can expect here? Like any challenges or any specific role based I can expect here?
Yeah, so even we are looking for the same profile, right? We also need a Power BI developer where they have, good hands-on from end to end. Since you said, right, you have worked from right from gathering the data from multiple sources and performing all the transformations using Power Query Editor. You have also worked on DAX functions. So similar thing, we are also looking for a individual contributor who can work on end to end across all the phases, right, from gathering till sharing the reports to the users, right? Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Yeah,
something.
yeah. Thanks for that. And yeah, I'm good with the job description as well.